Hey amazing people, how you all doing? So come with me. Let me show you how much YouTube paid me in a video that got 200 and let's say 11 views. Not 200k, 211 views. And also how much they gave me for a video that got 100 views. 100 views. And so you will compare and know that these people will choose to pay you the way they want, even though no matter how long the video is. And yeah, another way to make more money is when your video is longer. Okay, I have a video of a video that has at least 12,000 views, and couldn't make. Highest estimate was $1. Okay, a video of 12,000 views, highest estimate was $1. So let me show you how much they gave me for 110 views and then 210 views, so you will compare. Okay, the CPM and RPM based on your audience location. If your audience are all African based, your RPM will be very poor. The CPM as well will be very poor. So come with me, I will show you the analytics, I will show you the amount, so you will see for yourself. Okay, but before then, if you're coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know, are you monetized here on YouTube or you are not? What's the challenge you're facing? What's making you not to be monetized? Let me know. Okay, do not mind my rough face. Bye bye. Okay guys, so this is my YouTube studio, okay, that I want to show you the video. Okay, so for me to show you the video, let's go to the analytics. Yeah, we'll go to the analytics. We are in analytics now. So in the overview, let's go to the content. So this is the content, right? So okay, this is not what I want to show you. This is the content of how people are discovering the videos, right? In overview here now, let's open this content that I've earned money. So the video I'm talking about is this one. Let me open it. How much YouTube paid me for 5k views, right? Yes, that's the video I'm talking about. Now this video has gotten 212 views since it was published. Yes, 212 views, and it has gotten 6.8 watch hours since it was published, 1 subscriber, and the revenue is 0.48 cents. You guys, 48 cents to me is very big for just 212 views. Like there was a video that got 1 point something thousand views, 1.5k views, and it didn't make up to 43 cents for me. Like seriously, it didn't make up to 43 cents. If you go to the audience, let's go to the audience of this video. The audience of this video now, there are 17 returning subscribers, and we have 185 unique viewers, 1 subscriber, right? Now the device type they are watching from is mobile and computer. Yes, the age is not visible. The gender, no sufficient data. Now the geography, which is the main cocoa, why the revenue is high like that. You have Nigeria and United States only. Only Nigerian and United States people are the people that have watched this video. And because United States watched it 7.1%, that's why the revenue is high. Okay? That's why the revenue is high. Now let's go back. Let me show you the other video. Now this one, how much YouTube paid me for, let me open it. How much YouTube paid me, right? Again, for either 1k views or something. Okay, this video has gotten 115 views since it was published, and it has gotten 4.5 watch hours. It has gotten 1 subscriber, and it has gotten 23 cents. 23 cents for a video of 115 views. To me is huge, right? It's huge, very, very huge. Now let's go to the audience, right? The audience, we have 22 returning subscribers, 99 unique viewers, 1 subscriber, right? The device type they are watching from, we have mobile, we have computer, we have tablet. The age, no enough data. The gender, no enough data. Now the geography here, is just Nigeria. So imagine if United States or UK was among here. That means this 23 cents would have been more than for these 115 views. So YouTube pays the highest RPM. Yes, let's go to the revenue. So in this revenue now, you see that it has gotten 23 cents, right, from watch paid ads. So the RPM now for this video is $2 for 1,000 views. That's the RPM, $2 for 1,000 views. You can see it here. While the CPM, okay, the CPM, which is how much advertisers pay, is 4.97 cents. So YouTube is taking 2.99 cents and giving me $2. So I wish now this video will hit 1,000 views. I will make $2. Some people's, like some video I posted, their RPM is 0.4 cents. Like I'll be like, how will this video make money? These people, I don't know how they calculate their own. Honestly. Now let me show you the RPM of this one. That other one that has 43 cents. Let's go to the revenue of it. The revenue of it, you see, the estimated revenue is 43 cents. Meanwhile, the RPM that they will pay me if I get 1,000 views is $2.01. So, and how much advertisers pay is 5.35 cents. You see, this CPM is higher because United States people is second in geography or in audience that are watching the video. The audience are watching more from the United States. That is why the CPM is high. Now CPM is high and YouTube is still paying low because they are taking more. Because your audience, if your audience is even based more on United States, UK, and third world countries, the CPM will be high, but they will still pay you. They will take higher and pay you lower for CPM. For example, now this one has $5.35 for CPM, and they are giving me for RPM, they're giving me $2.01. That means they are taking $3. See these people, they're taking $3.24. So we are just working for these people, but it's well, it's better than doing nothing, right? Very much better than doing nothing. So that's it. If you think that maybe you get monetized and you're having low views and YouTube will not pay, they would pay you. But see, for live video, they're not paying more for live video. Let me show you this sub for sub, watch hour for watch hour. This video is a live video that I did. Yes, it's a live video that I did telling people to stop doing sub for sub, watch hour for watch hour. Return and the views is 9, but that's not the actual view. The actual view this video got is 99 views, yes. And the audience, I'm not sure, is people are not watching my live videos like that. So now imagine that the audience of this video is United States. Let me show you guys. The audience of this video is United States. Can you see? It's only United States that watched this video from that 15th of March to 27th of March. That today is 27th, so I made this live video on 15th of March. So only United States people, only people based in United States are the people that have watched the video, that have seen the video, right? Yes, my subscribers 19.8%, non-subscribers 80.2%. Now let's go to revenue, which is the most important. Despite United States people being the only people watching the video, being the only people that have seen the video, because that's the location I set for it. This video has gotten only 1 cent. Can you imagine? And if not that United States were the people that watched it more, trust me, you wouldn't have earned nothing. You wouldn't earn nothing. See, imagine RPM for live video 0.05 cents. That's 5 cents. 5 cents is the RPM. The view it has gotten is 98. You see that? Why the CPM is 82. So YouTube don't really pay much for live videos. You go live if you have audience that will gift you, not to earn much revenue. Okay, yes, if you want to earn much revenue, do your normal video, long video and short video. Yes, short video does not earn much too. If you want to really earn money, do your normal long videos. You don't know anyone that might shine. So this video of catch them young that I did of my daughter, let me show you. It has gotten 135 views since it was published, 1.7 watch hour since it was published, 0 subscriber, and 0.5 cents. That's 135 views and 0.5 cents. Did you see the difference? The other one has 115 views and it has 23 cents because the RPM is high. Did you just see what I show you? So they pay you for a low view, but you don't know the video that they will just choose. You do not know the video. They will tell you, people will tell you you should concentrate on this niche, concentrate on this niche. Even if you concentrate on any niche, all the videos will not be earning the same amount of money. So that's why you should try different videos. Okay, unique viewers are 120 people, while returning subscribers are 16 people. Subscriber and yeah, people are watching from mobile, computer and TV, tablet. Yes, all the device type here. The age and gender and geography not specific, no enough data to show that. So that's why I don't know why the revenue is poor, if it's because the geography and that's the audience people are based more here in Africa, or because I don't think I put location on this video. You see that this geography here, nothing to show for this data. I mean for this date. Sorry, you see that? Nothing to show. So yeah, that's it. If you want to get discouraged, don't get discouraged. Keep pushing. One video might blow up and give you views, but always try to make sure that your videos are longer than 8 minutes if you want to really earn money here on YouTube.